Change DNS on Android. Hey everyone, how's it going? Leonardo Paiva here with another video. This one's for those wanting to change their Android phone's DNS. If you're experiencing slow access, you can switch to a better DNS for improved performance, security, and privacy. In this video, I'll show you 2 DNS options to choose from. Alright, let's get started. First, open your Android phone's settings by tapping the gear icon. Next, tap on the Wi-Fi option in your Android settings. In Wi-Fi, locate the network you're connected to. In my case, it's Office. Tap the arrow next to it for more options. Here you'll see connection speed, signal strength, security, IP address, and subnet mask. What we want is in IP settings. It's usually set to DHCP. This means you're using your router's DNS by default. Let's click here to change it, and I'll set it to static. Now I'll manually enter this DNS. I won't change the IP address, router, gateway, or prefix size. Here's DNS1. You'll change this part. Delete it and enter Google's DNS. What's Google's DNS? 8.8.8.8. Below is Google's second DNS, DNS2, which is 8.8.4.4. You can also use Cloudflare's excellent DNS, which is 1.1.1.1. And for DNS2, you can change it to 1.0.0.2. Click here at the top to confirm. That's it, folks. I've made the changes to my connection. If I go back, it'll show as static, not DHCP, with the DNS1 and DNS2 I set. Which DNS did you use? Google or Cloudflare? Let me know in the comments below. Subscribe for more tutorial videos. That's all for now. Take care and God bless. Thanks.